see, by the profession and by my background, I am a civil engineer. Since 5 months, I have been doing research upon the modular construction, and today I am visiting this IKEA, and I felt like, wow, there many things are modular here in nature, and I can say many things are prefabricated. Many things are off-site construction elements here. The maximum is covered already here, and we are trying in such a manner that it will be in a large scale, very large scale. I am able to see here like a bedroom is a separate, and the hall is a separate, and the kitchen is a separate. Everything is modular provided, and we are trying in such a way that we will be able to integrate each and everything. That is flexible. That is called the modular. After the installation of the home also, we will be able to flex it however we want. That is called the modular. It's really surprising that the many things are already being implemented in the IKEA. Really, it is super. You can see the interior and all. All the MBPR services how they made. Whenever we order anything from the IKEA means boom, directly it will be in front of our home and they will install for us. It is called the off-site, the prefabricated and the modular. Everything is modular. The quality, each and everything is super, and when it comes to the cost also, it is very sound. That's not at all normal.